a summertime favorite, but I like to eat it all year round. Sadly, basil can be kind of expensive and hard to get when it's out of season. Kale is a great alternative. So today we're going to make pistachio kale pesto. You have the kale that offers so many great nutrients, and your kids will never even realize that it's in there. Let's get started. We'll mince up our garlic. Then I'm gonna add my pistachios. And really, you could use any nut for this, but I like the flavor that pistachios have. Also going to do some nutritional yeast, a couple sprinkles of salt, and then we're going to blend this into a fine crumble. All right, we've created this really nice Parmesan style cheese. So you can see this crumbly texture here. And this also works great as a standalone on top of any of your favorite pasta dishes and is the perfect base for our pistachio kale pesto. I'm gonna add my basil in here and some lemon juice and blend that up. I saved the kale for last because if it gets too blended in, it gets a little bit bitter. And I've broken it up a little bit before putting it in so that it blends well. A little more lemon juice if needed to keep it going. Both pistachios and kale have not only fiber, but also calcium and protein. So when, as a vegan, you're inevitably asked that question of where do you get your protein, you can say pistachio kale pesto. Not only is pesto delicious on pasta, but it's also great as a sandwich spread or on wraps. And when I make this, I usually at least triple this recipe. And then as an added benefit, we have enough for packed lunches the next day. Have any recipe ideas? Leave a comment below.